Luke's helping up. Oi! Don't rev my fucking car.
Guys, just let me go back to the kitchen.
Just push it back in and then make it straight again.
It's stuck.
Give me the mallet.
Are you fucking kidding?
I'm not kidding you.
It's not a mallet, it's a hard pattern. Work, my little slave. Today, we're doing the lock kit.
Yeah.
And the coilovers. So we're making one of two. Pretty fucking ugly.
If you don't like me, that's fine, but watch your mouth.
Also, we have Charlotte's friend Luke helping us.
Yeah, Luke's helping up. Oi! Don't rev my fucking car. Yeah, and Luke's brother's working on his cristal. It's the same toolbox as us.
It is.
So this doesn't come apart like yours.
Yeah, what the
I
hell?
think it's yellow. Because Crystal's distracted by a cat.
Oh, he's got a short hair. I would kill my cat if it came and snuggled up to strangers.
Yeah. You'd be very mine. Alright, you want to do the other way?
I can't, there's a cat here.
Hi, Bunny. Jesus. Yep.
Hey, wait, I brought something that I wanted to use.
What?
I got a little seat.
Seat!
Yeah.
Yay. My rails are back. As we know. Oh.
Jacked up the car and now we're going to take off the wheels.
We'll put the wheel underneath because I don't trust nobody.
Wait, I want to get my little seats.
Go get your seat. I'll start. Fucking cheating.
Oh wow,
What?
this is gonna be nice.
Well, don't get too enthusiastic.
No, that will be.
Nothing ever goes right. Why is that the freaking cat?
This
under
is
there?
she's a little shop kitty.
I bought these second hand from this guy.
That's okay.
What's wrong with your ball joint?
So this makes it go super extra cool.
Yeah, so the spacing. So currently it's bolted here, so it'll actually push the bottom of this out, so you get more camber. So it's
Oh
gonna
my
be like
god,
a-
it means
so
dancing
you
with
know
it.
see how the crest is like
Yeah.
that, and see how the Z is like
Yeah,
that.
I love
on
the front
thing?
wheels of the Z.
Yeah, it'll be like that. If you look in here, so there's two bolts that go. So this actually sits.
Yeah, I see.
This is actually that one. So there's two bolts here that go up into the hub,
Yeah.
and that'll make the hub loose.
Okay.
And then we're gonna have to split this.
Oh, I see. Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's gonna be the hard part, is
Okay.
splitting that.
We're gonna undo the tie rod. That's not good. Oh yeah.
Oh!
Look at that. In the way.
Girl, your hair is.
I'm sorry.
This bitch is taking too long.
Me?
I'm joking.
You fucking. I'm pissed right now. Oh! That doesn't fit. Because I'm pissed. Is it out?
Nice.
Nice.
I'm practically breaking it by bending it.
Yeah, so try bend it back to straight. Almost, yeah. And then you pull it out, because that's how it holds itself in. Are you sure it's straight enough?
Hang on. Now it's stuck.
Oh my god, are you fucking...
Guys, just let me go back to the kitchen.
Push it back in and then make it straight again.
It's stuck.
Give me the mallet.
Are you fucking kidding?
I'm not kidding you.
It's not a mallet, it's a hard pattern. I don't think the camera's getting it.
Get back in. Okay, it's in.
Okay.
Obviously it's not coming out.
Oh yeah.
I'm freaking
she's so
smart. I've got the biggest brain in the
Yeah.
world. Let's undo that.
No, then
Your alignment. No, but then your bonnet's not going straight.
Fuck the bonnet.
This is the silliest thing you can do, is take the bonnet off. The bonnet alignment is horrible to do.
Oh look, now it doesn't line up. Oh,
If it isn't the consequences of my own actions. What's up? What's up?
Guys, I fucked my whole car.
All the way on to, yeah, push it up-ish. No, up like at the, yeah, it's push.
Yeah, send it all the way.
There you go. Isn't it scary?
That is scary.
I hate it.
Where'd it go?
I think it's in there. You sucked it out.
Oh, wait. I got it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Crystal's first power tool. What the heck is this?
What the heck is this cat doing?
Which one you did? Do you
So, our next thing is getting the ball joint out, which is using a door, right? So, dearest Crystal, this is that guy. Where? Point.
area.
Yeah, that one.
Commit to it.
Hold it.
Okay, that's enough. Not going.
Ah, shit.
Oh, God.
Can you do it, girl? Can you do it?
I can do it. She's got her chills.
This is gonna take a while.
Ratchet electric. Yep.
Am
I doing it?
Yeah, you got it, I think.
Where is it? I can't even see where it was.
Oh, higher. That way, that way. Go back a bit. Go back a bit. Back. Towards you.
Oh.
Yeah. Is that undone or did you slip off it?
I don't know. I can't see
Yeah,
it.
put it.
So it should lock in quite well.
There you go.
Okay,
But
now.
just make sure you're up all the way, yeah.
Yeah, now I'm on.
And push that in. Push up, push up.
Long bolt.
Your boy.
Alright.
Okay, let's do it. Can I?
Let's get that bitch off.
Well,
She is. Yay!
Some of them in the red bag. I've just got that crappy set.
Whoa! Yeah. Yay!
Next to Matt's motorbike.
Easy peasy.
Look, it's not amazing. I mean, it's not got play, but it's, yeah.
How do you take that off? Oh, with the foot.
Yeah. So usually with a ball joint, you get the side.
Are you trying to break it?
Sort of. I'm just trying to get under to see. So
Why is this so freaking long?
okay,
I've been for his whole life.
cool.
Ew!
Open it up. Is that long enough to get it in all the way? Yep.
Is
Try
that
and
all the way?
Try and get it all the way in. Can
Go
you
in.
hammer it in a bit more?
Hit it from the back.
Okay.
Yep. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Hang on.
Oh.
Muscle
okay?
mommy.
Yeah, I slipped a little bit. Yep. Go.
Wait,
Whoa! Here's some pieces.
So that will sit
Lay on it.
there and see the space now. So where it used to be and now where it's
Oh,
gonna be.
yeah,
So that's
yeah.
gonna sit there.
Yeah.
So
I have some these.
Oh god.
this needs.
Yeah, it's just sounds so funny.
Can you just put it straight?
Work, my little slave.
Don't do.
Your boy.
Your boy!
Scott. Wait, I put the seat there. Oh.
Oh!
17 to the 2.
I know how to work. Not very well. You wanna do it?
No. You can do it. How you learn?
I know how to do it, I just can't
No, don't get water on my queen.
Please. I've got a wife and kids. I'm tired.
Wait,
This
so
guy.
you just took off the tie rod?
Ah!
Am I right?
Yeah. Is that tie rod? Yeah.
And rack end, yep.
Yeah, and then now we're trying to get the ball joint off, but you have to. Since our tool isn't amazing, we need to take all the lube out of it.
It looks like Big Mac sauce.
Oh, you just
Ow.
don't want it to slip. It's really dangerous, so it slips.
And then we take this out to get the booty off. The booty. Yummy.
You might have no sauce.
I might vomit.
Why? It's just grease. Are you actually serious?
It doesn't even smell.
Remember, it's gonna go bang, so just be ready. Just send it all the way. Keep going. Good.
Got the new one.
It's zoomed in.
Here he is. And then we're gonna put his nuts in.
Can't wait till I can just like watch.
I can do things. You think I can't do anything without you?
Yeah, but this is like
You think I can't do things without you? I've done
some of
toilet.
this shit's like heavy and scary.
Yeah, I don't have muscles. Ah!
Ew, Charlotte,
I have a 17.
don't throw up, please.
No, this sounds great. It sounds like Shrek.
Oh.
Do you need a rag? Rag and
Yes.
spiel? Where's
not a rag.
Sorry. Sorry.
It's low and it's even. Yeah, let's look at the angle kit. Oh my god. Oh. Oh yeah. Turn it the other way. that's the lock kit done. Yeah, Lex. I am all dirty. There's dirt all over my whole face. Didn't even notice that. Luke's doing an alignment. Lock kit's done. So he can really steer now. We camber. And he's good. Okay, so here's the final reveal. Car looks amazing as usual. Here's a lock kit. It's not amazing, like it doesn't have that much lock compared to stock, but it still looks really good. It does have a bit of negative camber now. Quite a lot actually. I need to get it realigned though because I've never actually gotten it properly aligned. We've done it once, but not professionally. And it looks great. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.